Vitamin D is a very important nutrient that's normally added to lots of food products. One of the greatest challenges is that vitamins in general, but vitamin D specifically, can be easily degraded by things like UV light, by very high temperatures and by very low pHs. So it's very important to be able to provide solutions and technologies to be able to protect valuable ingredients such as vitamin D. And the way we're doing that at Xampla is by encapsulating vitamin D in a completely natural small particle which is entirely made from pea protein, and that's extending the shelf life of vitamin D and making sure we're providing the right amount to the consumer.
It allows us to put different fortified ingredients into soft drinks, so we can put vitamin D, omega-3, in some cases we can even put probiotics into it.
What the microencapsulation does for all these active ingredients is protect it in the manufacturing process, but then also protect it as it travels through the human body. So rather than being destroyed in the stomach, it actually allows it to get to the intestine where it's absorbed into the body.
Britvic's Healthier People, Healthier Planet strategy acknowledges that you can't have one without the other. So our Healthier People strategy is focused on healthier consumer choices, our employees and our communities, and Healthier Planet is focused on packaging, decarbonisation, water stewardship and biodiversity. The beauty of this relationship with Xampla, that focuses on healthier consumer choices. They are using cutting-edge technology that we are able to put in our products and share the benefits with our consumers.
What we love about these partnerships is we get to work with people who can inspire and who can educate us. We've run from laboratory scale testing through to our pilot plant where we have the opportunity to see how things would behave on a commercial scale, and we're now testing the product in some of our commercial sites in Ireland. I think the way that we collaborate with people and we help them actually makes us a really good partner, probably one of the best partners in soft drinks.